Welcome back for Food for Thought Tuesdays. Last week I did not make a video at all. If you've been paying attention to the weather, you know that down south got hit pretty good. And people that have been following me know I live in Memphis, Tennessee. So this is what we, it's been what? Yeah, it's been almost 2 weeks since the storm. It wasn't last Saturday, but the Saturday before. And this is what we still got from the ice storm. So the Friday before the storm, because I work on the weekends, my job asked me to come in because it was going to be freezing, like for about a week, and they knew a lot of people were not going to travel in it. So for safety reasons, they asked me to come into work, so I did. And that Saturday, it started the storm, but I was literally stuck at my job for 9 days. Couldn't move the vehicle or anything, and because nobody showed up, it was just me and my two bosses, my supervisor and the assistant. We worked hard. All three of us worked all 9 days, but glad it's over with. I'm telling you. But it was a very long week, so I did not make my video last week just because of everything. But time I got home this Monday, I was really tired. It was a lot. So Monday and Tuesday, I just was not having it. And it's been cold out. Today's a little warmer, but it's still cold. And I figured I'd hop on because I wanted to make sure everybody and their families are safe. And you guys made it through the ice storm. To me, this was man-made. This was not a usual ice storm. Yeah, but it let me know if you are down south and had went through this. Check in. Let me know how everybody's doing and stuff, and if you got pictures or whatever, show me what it looks like in your state still, because I'll tell you, we got a lot, and it is supposed to be around 60 tomorrow, and then it's going to start heating up after that, so I think within the next 2-3 days, everything should be gone. And according to the news, the last time Memphis had a storm like this was back in 1994. So it's been a minute since it's been this bad. And school's been out for 2 weeks. As you see, the main roads are clear, but a lot of parking lots are still very, very icy. And, down south, they don't get much of this at all. This is the worst one I've had in the 6 years I've been here. Well, 11 years since I've been down south. They don't have the manpower. They don't have the salt, the sand, the plow trucks and all that. They just don't have that manpower. And I guess they did as much as they could with the main roads, but most roads were made by the cars traveling. A lot of people were off the roads, though. Not gonna lie. And basically, the National Guard was out there apparently giving people rides if they need it, pushing people that were stuck, and all that. So they did come in handy in our time of need. This time around, I saw them outside my hotel downtown, pushing people. So let me know in the comments if you had went through this ice storm, and check in with me. Okay? I will be on track next week for Tuesday. And everybody stay safe, stay warm, and we'll talk soon. Bye.